Hello, welcome to Math Science and Engineering Academy. Right now, we've tried to make conversion from binary base 2 to octal base 8. What we can do, this is like in the previous videos we discussed, from any base to any other base. Yes, what we were doing, if you remember, we need to convert to base 10 first, then come back to base 8. But there is a rules. We can use the rules. By this way, it will be easier for us. We can make like a mapping of 3-digit mapping. For example, 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, this is in base 2. How much in equal to base 8? Again, if you don't know the rules, you need to convert to base 2 to base 10 and take that number back to the base 8. But there is a rule. It is easy to do it. Starting from right, be careful. Starting from right, we are making a basket or box. In each basket or box, we are putting 3 numbers, 3 digits. Okay, the last one left 2, no problem. Okay, then we are taking equivalence of these 3-digit numbers, or the last one might be 1, 2, or 3. How much is equal in base 10? Okay, then we will go to base 8 easily. 101, 101. Yeah, after you get familiar, you can be you can write easily how much it is in base 10. But let me show you here what is that. It is equal to 1 times 2 to the 0. Another one is 0 times 2 to the 1. And the third one is 1 times 2 to the 2. Okay, let's add them up. This is 1 times 2 to the 0, 1. It is equal to 1. This is 0. The third one is 1 times 4, 4. That's gonna be 5. What is happening? 101, it is 5 in base 10. Okay, if you do the 111, what happens, friends? 111, how much in is base 10? If you do this one, 1 times 2 to the 0 plus 1 times 2 to the 1 plus 1 times 2 to the 2. Let me separate the previous calculation from the second calculation. Don't mix up. So it's gonna be 1 times 2 to the 0, 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 4. That's gonna be 1 plus 2 plus 4, it is equal to 7. So 111 is 7 in base what? 10. Let's go to the 100. 100 is equal to what? Okay. You can directly write, but if you like, we can calculate like we do the others. I want to show at least for this example quickly. We can calculate. If you do more example, you can write directly without any calculations, If you become familiar, we can see also that one in one of the example. Little bit slow drawing, erasing. Okay. 100 in base 2, how much in base 10? Okay, it is equal to, from the first and second 0, there is no contribution. Just we can look at the last one. 1 times, the first one is 2 to the 0, the second one is 2 to the 1, this is 2 to 2. That means that 1 times 2 to 2 is what? 4. That's gonna be 4. Okay, we need to write here 4. Okay, the last one, let's discuss the last one and we can finish this example. 1, 1 in base 2, how much in base 10? It is equal to shortly 1 times 2 to the 0, and the second one is 1 times 2 to the 1. If you add them up, this is 1, this is 2, that's gonna be 3. So it will be 3. Next thing is easy. Just we need to write whatever you see from number in the order, like a 3, 4, 7, 5. That's it. Yeah, if you get used to faster calculation of the number system in base 2 to base 10, you can write this result much faster. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's do one more example. Suppose that 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. How much base 10, base 2 in base 8? Be careful. Again, we need to make grouping. Starting from right to the left. What is 101? This was 5. What is 011? This is 3. What is 010? This is 2. And what is 10? This is 2. That's gonna be 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay, I write directly because after you make many calculations you will be familiar. But I want to give you some information. It will be helping you writing easily. Let's try to count. Suppose that this is binary. And that side is decimal. Since we are making grouping of 3, 0, 0, 0. This is 0, no doubt. 0, 0, 1. Let me use arrows. This is 1. 0, 1, 0. This is 2 in decimal. 0, 1, 1. This is 3. This is 1, 0, 0. This is 4. And 1, 0, 1. This is 5. 1, 1, 0. This is 6. And 1, 1, 1. This is 7. Of course, how we can do by using the rules we learned, how we can convert binary to decimal, we are using those rules and eventually we get those numbers. Since somebody might think why we are using mapping of 3. Okay, because 2 to the power of 3 is 8. You want to travel from base 2 to base 8. That is why we are making like a mapping of 3. Okay, let's do one more example. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In base 2, how much is equal to in base 8? Same rule. We can make a mapping or making basket of 3 digits in each basket. Okay, this is what? 3. This is 7. This is 3. This is 7. This is 4. You can directly write here 4, 7, 3, 7, 3. This is in base 8. We can convert any given numbers, even it can be longer, then you can convert to base 8 quickly.